Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest innovations. Today, we're diving into the iRestore Essential Laser Hair Growth System, hailed as one of the best hair restoration solutions on the market. Let's uncover why this device has garnered so much attention. The iRestore Essential is an FDA-cleared laser hair growth device designed to combat hair loss in both men and women. Engineered to stimulate hair follicles using low-level laser therapy. This device targets alopecia, receding hairlines, and thinning hair, promising visible results in as little as 3 to 6 months. First off, let's talk about its features. Unlike traditional handheld lasers, the iRestore is a hands-free cap that provides comprehensive coverage without requiring constant movement. This makes it convenient to use while going about your daily activities, setting it apart from less effective methods like laser combs. Backed by clinical studies, the iRestore has demonstrated remarkable effectiveness. In a study, 100% of active users saw visible hair growth, with an average increase of 43.2% in hair count. This level of efficacy is impressive and speaks volumes about its capability to deliver results. Designed for comfort, the iRestore is lightweight and can be used comfortably at home. It's crafted in GMP-certified facilities, ensuring durability and reliability. This user-friendly approach makes it accessible for anyone looking to enhance their hair growth journey. Now, let's delve into how the iRestore actually works. It harnesses the power of red light therapy to penetrate the scalp and stimulate hair follicles at a cellular level. This process increases blood flow to the follicles, promoting thicker and fuller hair over time. Red light therapy isn't just effective for hair growth, it's also non-invasive and painless. It's been used in various medical and cosmetic treatments due to its ability to rejuvenate cells and improve overall scalp health. Many users report positive experiences with the iRestore. From improved hair texture to enhanced confidence, the testimonials speak for themselves. It's a testament to the device's ability to deliver on its promises. Compared to other hair growth solutions like biotin supplements or topical treatments, the iRestore offers a holistic approach that complements existing regimens. This synergy can lead to enhanced results, making it a valuable addition to any hair care routine. In conclusion, the iRestore Essential Laser Hair Growth System stands out as a top-tier choice for combating hair loss. With its clinically proven results, ease of use, and comprehensive coverage, it's no wonder it's considered among the best in the market. If you're looking to restore your hair's thickness and vitality, this device is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on products that make a difference in your life. Until next time.